Dear students, in the series of teaching learning of tenses, today we will learn about present perfect continuous tense. So let us start with the tense of the day. Present perfect continuous. Look at the spelling properly. Now look at the helping verb. There are two helping verbs in the tense like present perfect tense, but we add been with these helping verbs. Main verb, first form of verb plus ing. Use of since. It is used to show the beginning of time. We take example. The boys have been playing hockey since morning. Next example. My mother has been stitching the suits since 8 o'clock morning. So in these two examples we saw that there is the use of since and it is shown for the beginning of time. Here it is beginning with morning, and in the next example it is beginning with 8 o'clock morning. Now use of for. It is used to show the total length of time. There is the difference in the use of since and form. In the since, it was only the beginning of time, and in the use of form for, it is the total length of time. So look at the examples. 2 hours, 4 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, etc. These are the examples to show the total length of time. Now we will understand this with the example of sentences. Mr. Ramlal has been teaching in this school for 2 years. Next example, my brother has been playing football for 1 hour. So in both the examples there is the use of for, and after for we see that it is the total length of time. Understand? Now we will look at the keywords. Since and for are the two keywords which we have seen in the examples. नॉट सिंस का प्रयोग केवल समय की शुरुआत को बताता है, जैसे हमने इंग्लिश में भी देखा विद द बिगिनिंग ऑफ टाइम। तो वही बात है कि सिंस का प्रयोग जो है समय की शुरुआत को बताएगा, समय कुल कितना लगा उसकी जानकारी नहीं मिलती। जैसे सुबह 8 बजे से 10 फरवरी 2012 इत्यादि। फोर का प्रयोग देखते हैं। फोर का प्रयोग समय की कुल लंबाई को दिखाता है, जैसे इंग्लिश में हमने देखा टोटल लेंथ ऑफ टाइम जिसको कहा गया। एग्जाम्पल 2 घंटे, 5 दिन, 4 वर्ष, 2 वर्ष इत्यादि। हिंदी में पहचान देखते हैं हम। वाक्य के अंत में से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं इत्यादि का प्रयोग होता है। जैसे लड़के सुबह से हॉकी खेल रहे हैं। मेरी माँ सुबह 8 बजे से सूट की सिलाई कर रही है। मेरा भाई 1 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहा है। तो इन सभी तीनों उदाहरणों के अंदर हमने देखा कि इनकी जो एंडिंग है वो से रहा है या से रहे हैं इत्यादि से हो रही है। तो इस प्रकार के जो हिंदी के वाक्य हैं वो हमारा जो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है उसकी हिंदी में पहचान को दिखाते हैं। सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर देख लेते हैं अब। इसमें 4 टाइप के सेंटेंसेस हम करते हैं। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, interrogative and negative. First we take the structure of affirmative sentence. Subject plus helping verb plus been, first form of verb plus ing plus o for object, since or for इनमें से एक का यूज होगा plus time. We take an example. The boys have been playing football since morning. This is the example of affirmative sentence. Now we take the example of negative sentence. Subject, helping verb, not plus been, first form of verb plus ing, object, since or for plus time. So not is added in this sentence, and we see that not is used between helping verb and been, so we have to be careful about it. The boys have not been playing football since morning. Now the time to understand the interrogative sentence. Helping verb, subject, been, first form of verb plus ing, object, since or for plus time. And when the sentence is ending, then we use the mark of punctuation of interrogation. Example, we are taking the same example in four different types. Have the boys been playing football since morning? And the sentence is ending with the sign of interrogation mark. And as I have told in the previous videos also, when the sentence is beginning with a helping verb, then it is always ending with the sign of interrogation, and this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative and negative. Helping verb, subject, not, been, first form of verb plus ing, object, since or time, sign of interrogation. Have the boys not? So we look here, first helping verb, then subject, and then not, then being, playing football since morning, and last sense sign of interrogation. You can take some more examples to show sentence structure of this tense. Now we will discuss about the exercise for practice. Ram dash cry since morning. Verb is cry, and as we see in the sentence, there is the use of since, so we very well know that this is the sentence of present perfect continuous tense. So we have to use helping verb, main verb, and then, as you know, the conductor dash work for an hour. Here in this sentence, the verb is work, and we have to make the sentence on our own. He dash play on the piano for many years. Verb is play, and there is the use of for, and after for there is the use of time. So we very well understand that this is also an example of present perfect continuous tense. It dash rain since morning. So in all these four sentences, there is the use of since or for, and after it there is the time, or we can say these are followed by time. So we have to fill on our own helping verbs and verbs in these sentences.